Okay, so today we are going to see the option called edit interaction and the sync slicer. Okay, so what is edit interaction? Let's say if I want to lock some visual, then I have to go with the edit interaction property. So I will show you one example. Let's say end user want to see the external profit like this. If I click on this external 1.09 million, and over here he wants to see overall profit. So right now what's happening? It's showing on both. It's a external profit that is 1.09 million. But what we want over here 1.09 million and over here 85.73 million, which is my overall profit. So I want to lock this visual with that. So how to achieve that? Just uncheck this part, click on this slicer where we don't want to lock it, and then click on the format section. Then there is an option called edit interaction. Just click on this. Once you click, you will get this buttons over here. Okay, so this button is nothing but it's providing opportunity to lock the visual. Okay, so just lock it as we discuss. And now select the external. See, we can see 1.09 million over here, but it's not changed over here. Okay, if you want to change, then you have to click on this filter section. Then again, it will show as a 1.09 million. Okay, so that is the one thing. Let me show you over here like this. Okay, and again, if you want to lock, you can lock. Okay, and you can choose any value from the filter. Still, it will not change. The other value will change over here, but it will not change. Okay, so this is nothing but your edit interaction concept, and you can add as many as usual as a lock. Wherever you will get this tab, you can just lock it. Okay, now I don't want this particular things over here, so then I have to click on this and just filter before that, so it will not impact the other things. Clear this selection, click on this and remove this edit interaction property. And if I select harvest, it will change. Okay, like this 9.9. Okay, so I'm good with this option now with the edit interaction. So this is nothing but your edit interaction where you can lock the objects easily on the particular pages. Okay, that is one part. Second part, as we discussed, we have to see the sync slicer. Okay, so also before that, we have seen the property called as a filter types. Okay, so what we have seen, if I want to apply the filter, let's say on summary page and the detail page. So what I'm going to use? So I'm going to use a page level filter, right? If I want to add this filter on the summary page and the detail page, because if we use the report level filter, it will apply to all. So let's say if I have multiple pages, let's say 15, 20 pages, and over there I have to do the similar things. On the 13 pages, I want to add the filter. Okay, so it will apply to all other 13 pages. So it's very difficult to go one by one page and then apply. So that's the reason we have the property called as a sync slicer. And how it works, let me show you. Very first, you require the slicer and then click on the view section. Okay, and there is an option called sync slicer at the end. Just click on this. And as we discussed, we want to sync this summary page with the detail page. So very first, let me uncheck this all things. Okay. Okay. So as we discussed, we want to sync summary page. Then you have to click on this sync button. This is nothing but your sync button. Okay. And which page you have to sync on the detail page. So just click on this. So whatever the changes I'm going to do on a summary page, it will directly apply to your detail page. How? Let me show. Let's say Great Lakes I'm changing over here. So Great Lakes, and according to that, this card showing the data. Okay. Now let's jump on the detail page, whether it's happened or not, the changes. See, Great Lakes. Okay. And again, you can go to the summary page one more time. Okay. And over here, if I will change one more time, Let's say this time I'm changing to the planes and see the result. Planes, planes, okay. And over here in the detail page, again, I can see the planes, okay. So this is nothing but you are syncing the changes from summary page to detail page. And if you want to add more pages, just click on this slicer and then you can do the similar thing for the other pages as well. Okay. So this option is nothing but sync option. Okay. And this is nothing but visual option, means if you want to show this slicer over here in the detail page in this area, then you can show it without taking the slicer from this. You can directly click on that button, then it will appear over there. Let me show you how it works. Just click on this, go to the visual and just click on this button. Okay, so now if we jump on a detail page, we can see the details. Okay, see the slicer is appear. Okay, so this is nothing but the sync slicer where you can sync the pages easily, whatever the pages you want to sync.